Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove duplicate data points or set in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see category. So we have duplication. Now select. So you can select according to your requirement. And then on top we are in data. And then in data you see remove duplicate. So click on it. And then you see multiple option. Now select continue with the current selection and then click on remove duplicate button, and then you see category column selected and then click on OK. Then you see message 7 duplicate value found and remove 4 unique value remain. So click on OK. So in this way you can remove duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.